This Innerwell 8-inch granite nonstick fry pan is like a helpful friend in your kitchen. It is designed for cooking eggs and omelets easily. The nonstick surface means food won't stick. Cleaning up is also a breeze. You can just wipe it clean after you are done cooking. This pan can be a great addition to your cooking items. The Innerwell 8-inch granite nonstick fry pan has some cool features. It has a granite-like coating. This helps to prevent your food from sticking. Plus, this coating is PFOA-free. That means it does not have harmful chemicals. The pan heats up quickly and evenly. This helps your food cook just right. The handle is made to stay cool when you are cooking. This makes it safer and more comfortable to use. If you want a pan that makes cooking simpler, the Innerwell 8-inch granite nonstick fry pan could be for you. It is good for small meals, especially eggs. The nonstick functionality is a big plus. You will spend less time scrubbing after cooking. It feels sturdy, and it should last for a while with proper care. Consider this Innerwell 8-inch granite nonstick fry as a reliable tool in your kitchen. For anyone looking for a dependable nonstick pan without any over-the-top claims, the OXO Good Grips 8 inches frying pan is a great choice. It's practical, easy to use, and easy to clean. It won't suddenly turn you into a gourmet chef, but it will make everyday cooking less of a chore. This OXO Good Grips 8 inches frying pan is a workhorse, not a show pony, and sometimes, that's exactly what you need in your kitchen. Pros: PFOA-free, healthy cooking, less oil needed, heats up fast, even heating, durable base, all. Stovetops, comfortable handle, lightweight. Cons: handle assembly needed, hand wash recommended, not oven safe, dishwasher may damage, non-stick may degrade, uneven heating reported, handle screw may loosen, questionable long-term use, might not be truly granite. California Prop 65 warning features: 8-inch size, granite nonstick, egg and omelet pan, chef's frying pan, PFOA-free, easy to clean, healthy cooking, durable base, cool handle, multi-stove use. This Innerwell 8-inch frying pan has a granite-like nonstick surface, great for cooking eggs and omelets without sticking. It's designed for chefs and is PFOA-free, which means it's made without a potentially harmful chemical. The pan is easy to clean, good for healthy cooking as you might need less oil, and has a strong base for even heating. The handle stays cool to the touch, and you can use it on different kinds of stoves. This Innerwell 8-inch frying pan is designed for eggs and omelets with a PFOA-free nonstick surface that needs less oil and heats up quickly and evenly. It has a durable base suitable for all stovetops, a comfortable, lightweight handle that requires assembly, and is recommended for hand washing as dishwashers may cause damage and reduce its non-stick quality. While it's not oven safe, some users have reported uneven heating and the handle screw potentially loosening over time, raising concerns about its long-term use and whether it's truly made of granite. Additionally, it carries a California Prop 65 warning,